everyone, how are you all? So here I am with another video on narcissist personality disorder, and if you have not subscribed my video, please subscribe it and share it with others also. On my channel you can get many videos related to narcissism and narcissistic personality disorder and how they create a chaos in the life of others. This all we have discussed, and I am uploading new videos now every day. So, and yes, if you have a narcissist in your life, then you should always take advice of an expert psychologist also. So today my topic is silent treatment by a narcissist. What is silent treatment and how they give it, and what type of this it can influence the person or the victim. So you must have seen silent treatment is a very common technique used by a narcissist. It is used by overt and covert narcissists both. And covert narcissists use this more. This is a type of manipulative technique. So what happens if you try to hold narcissists accountable for anything, or you just say that whatever they have done to you, and as soon as you start, you must have found out that they just get vanish. They vanish, and they just leave the room. They just without any hint, they just leave the place. They just go somewhere else, and you just get into the position of shock, and you just think, what happened, what I said. I just asked him about his behavior. I just tried to do talk some reasonable, and I am trying to find out a solution. Am I doing something wrong? Why this person has left the room all of a sudden? What happened? And this is a very bad and very manipulative technique, silent treatment, without even touching you, without doing any physical harm. They have created an emotional harm. An emotional harm is many times much more worse than the physical harm. So without even touching, without any physical thing, they try to create a chaos in the life of others, and afterwards they will say, I never say anything, I never said anything, I have never said a word to the person, to the victim, and how can somebody blame me? I am the most innocent, most loving person on this planet earth. This is the thing the narcissists say afterwards, if you held them accountable again. So they feel that they never say anything, they just keep silent, and that is the biggest wrong thing they do. They give silent treatment. Very, very common technique. What happens actually, whenever they give silent treatment, this create a lot of confusion in the mind of a victim. And that actually give the victory to the narcissist, because narcissists have just left the place and they are not accountable for anything. They have shown this. They are not a person who have done any wrong. In their mind, actually, they have not done anything wrong. They are the most wonderful people on the earth. They think like that. Narcissists think themselves that they are the most wonderful. Why the hell you are asking them anything? So they just don't want to give you any importance. The other thing is that they just don't want to give any importance to you. They just want to show that you are not important in their life, and they don't think that they should give any reasonable answer, or they should give any reason behind that. They just don't think that. They don't think that they have to give any answer. This shows the position of victim also in the mind of narcissists. They don't think that they don't give priority to any relationship. If anybody give priority to anybody or any relationship, they will sit down, they will try to communicate, they will try to solve out, they will try to sort out a problem, they will try to do something for the relationship. And narcissists, they just leave the place. They just leave the place without any hint. They switch off their mobile, they leave the place, they just own their car, and they just left the place. And many times they use car as a weapon to further abuse. Actually, they just leave the place by car also many times. So they person think, where this person has gone, have I, and even in the midnight they leave the place. That is more tragic. The other person will think, okay, have I done something wrong? What I have done? Why this person left the place? And then the victim blame themselves. No, this is double abuse. That is a double abuse. Now the victim try to blame themselves. They start blaming themselves also. They think that they have done something wrong. They have done something that they should have not done. They should have not asked. Actually, the victim is the narcissist is training you for that. It's trying to train you by silent treatment that you should not ask them anything. Let them do whatever they want to do. They are the king in their own life. They will do whatever they want to do. They are not accountable for anything. They will not take any responsibility. You are not their priority, and they, if you will ask them, they will give you silent treatment. That is the best thing they can do. They are training you that you should not ask them anything. You should not ask them any question. If you will ask them question, then you have to face the consequences in the form of silent treatment. So this is silent treatment. Don't fall into the prey of this technique. Don't get manipulated by the narcissist like this. You have not done anything wrong. You have not done anything wrong by asking them any question. Everyone is accountable. Everyone has to take responsibility. They have to give priority to the other person. So, but narcissists never do any one of this. They don't take accountability. They don't take responsibility. They don't give any priority to anyone else except themselves. This is very clear by the silent treatment. So, at least why I am making these videos actually, so that you can to create an awareness, you can understand, okay, what is happening. If somebody is giving you silent treatment, what does that mean? Silent treatment means that you have to think about this relationship now. You should think, at least don't blame yourself. What happens many times, victim themselves keep on gaslighting themselves now. Once the narcissist will gaslight the victim, and the victim then gaslight themselves. So this is the thing that happens. There's a double gaslight that happens. So victim at least should have compassion towards themselves. They are not to be blamed. Narcissist is also creating a problem in your life. Why you are blaming yourself now? Give a lot of compassion, lot of healing, lot of blessing to yourself. Narcissist is already there to create a problem in your life. Don't gaslight yourself, because this way actually they train the victim to gaslight themselves. They gaslight the victim, and then the victim gaslight themselves. So this is the thing I want to say. And please subscribe my channel, share it with others. I have already uploaded many videos in Hindi also, if you want to go and watch them, and nowadays I am uploading in English also. So please just subscribe it, share it with others. And if there is any suggestion, any comment, please comment in the comment box, and any suggestion is there from your side. And thanks to all the subscribers who have already subscribed me. I expect that more and more people will subscribe, so that actually what I think is actually it's a victory of us. All the subscribers, in a single subscriber is a victory against the narcissist, against the narcissism. They are a victory. They are the victory actually. Each person who is subscribing and joining us is actually a victory against the narcissism. We are the right ones. We are the ones who are on the right track. That's why we are so many. And narcissists alone in their own grandiose self, in their own kingdom, in the kingdom of narcissists. So let them be alone, enjoy themselves in the kingdom of narcissists. We are a community. We are actually, so many people are thinking the same way. We are the ones who are thinking the right thing. Because that is very like the victim or the person who is with narcissists will always think that they are the right ones, and the narcissists are the wrong ones. First of all, make it clear in your mind. Okay, and yeah, so okay, I'll just end my video now, and I'll bring another video very soon. Till that time, I just want to say a bye to all of you. Bye.